Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel Bright Coaching Center. Today we are going to learn how to arrange the integers from smaller to greater, means in ascending order. We will also learn how to arrange the integers in descending order. We will also learn how to add, how to subtract and how to multiply the integers on number line. But before that, those who have not seen my previous video, part 1 of integers, please watch that video, make notes, practice some of the questions which are given in the first video and then see the second part of this video. Link of the first part is given in the description box. So now we'll learn how to arrange the integers in ascending order, means smaller to bigger integer. So as we all know, as we had studied in the previous video, that this is the number line. On the number line, on the left hand side, LHS means left hand side of 0, all the numbers are negative numbers. On the right hand side of 0, all the numbers are positive numbers. In the previous video, we had also studied दो नंबर में से एक नंबर दूसरे नंबर के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड अगर आता है नंबर लाइन पे तो वो नंबर छोटा है एंड द नंबर विच इज ऑन द राइट साइड ऑफ अनदर नंबर ऑन द नंबर लाइन is greater than the given number. So here I am giving you one example. अगर 1 और -1 को कंपेयर करना है तो दोनों में से बड़ा कौन है? Yes, 1, because 1 is on the right hand side of -1, इसलिए -1 smaller है and 1 is greater. So here 3 questions are given to us. We have to arrange these integers in ascending order, means smaller to greater. So let us see. -5, 0, -6 and 4. इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर सबसे पहले छोटा नंबर, सो इनमें से सबसे छोटा नंबर कौन सा है? -6, बिकॉज ये -6 सबसे लास्ट में आता है नंबर लाइन पे. यहाँ पे जो नंबर लाइन दी है वो सभी नंबर के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड में है, तो सबसे छोटा नंबर है. सो वी राइट फर्स्ट -6. -6 के बाद कौन सा नंबर आता है? -5. सो -5 है यहाँ पे फर्स्ट में. यस, -6 के बाद -5 मीन्स -6 सबसे छोटा, उससे बड़ा -5. नेक्स्ट नंबर -4 हमको क्वेश्चन में नहीं दिया है, ओके. -3 ओके नहीं दिया है. -2 भी नहीं दिया है. -1 भी नहीं दिया है. 0, yes, 0 is given here. So -6 से -5 बड़ा है, -5 से 0 बड़ा है और 0 से and the last number we have 4. 0 से 4 बड़ा है. So this is how we arrange the integers in ascending order. Now the next question. Which number do you think is the smallest number? So I'll help you in another way. सबसे पहले असेंडिंग नंबर की बात आए तो सबसे पहले माइनस नंबर कौन से है वो हाईलाइट कर लेना. यहाँ पे -4 है और -5 है, क्योंकि माइनस नंबर्स आर ऑलवेज स्मॉलर देन द पॉजिटिव नंबर्स. नाउ वी हैव टू सी कि ये दोनों में से सबसे छोटा कौन सा है, राइट. सो -5 -4 के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड आता है या -4 -5 के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड आता है. लेट अस सी ऑन द नंबर लाइन. सो दिस इज -4 एंड दिस इज -5. इन दोनों में से लेफ्ट साइड कौन सा है? -5. तो -5 इज द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर. सो -5. सो -5 हो गया. नाउ नेक्स्ट माइनस में कौन है? -4. सो नेक्स्ट विल बी -4. Now after -4 which is the smallest number? 4, 6 और 0 में से? Yes, 0 is the smaller number. Now between 4 and 6 which is smaller? 4. And at last 6. So this will be the proper manner in which we arrange the integers. Now the next one. Can you try it by yourself? If yes, pause the video and check the answer later on. Okay, so now let us see which are the minus number here in third question. So we have minus 8 and minus 10. Okay, so you can just imagine here number line में तो सिर्फ minus 6 तक दिया है, but you can think minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, minus 4, minus 5, minus 6, minus 7, minus 8. minus 8 के बाद minus 10 आता है, उसका मतलब है minus 10 है वो minus 8 के लेफ्ट हैंड साइड है, तो इन दोनों में से छोटा कौन सा हुआ? minus 10. So we will write minus 10 first. फिर minus 10 के राइट हैंड साइड कौन सा नंबर था? minus 8. minus 8. Now I think it's easy for you क्योंकि सब नंबर पॉजिटिव है. फर्स्ट क्या आएगा? 1, उसके बाद 9, उसके बाद 10. So we write accordingly 1, 9 and 10. I hope you understood this method, how to solve or how to arrange the integers in increasing order. So now I am giving you a couple of questions at the end of this slide where you have to solve this question by yourself. You have to arrange the given questions in your notebook and let me know whether are you able to solve or not. And now we will learn how to arrange the integers in descending order. Descending order means greater integer to smaller integer. Okay. So now, as we saw previously, this is the number line. On the right hand side, all the numbers are positive. On the left hand side, all the numbers are negative. Now here we have the questions. So as I told you in the previous part, that if you want to arrange the integers in ascending order, तो सबसे पहले हम माइनस नंबर जो है उसको हाईलाइट करेंगे, right? Then it will be easy for you to solve the question. In descending order, first of all we will try to highlight the numbers which are positive numbers, right? So first question में हमको दिया है 4, -6, -1, 0 and 3. इसमें से पॉजिटिव नंबर कौन सा है? So we'll see the positive numbers are, एक तो 4 है, एक 0 है और एक 3 है. अब 4, 0 और 3 इन तीनों में से सबसे बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है? We have 4. So ये डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर में हमको अरेंज करना है. सो सबसे पहले हम सबसे बड़ा नंबर लिखेंगे, दैट इज 4. 4 से छोटा कौन सा नंबर है? दैट इज 3. So we'll write 3 here. 3 से छोटा और लास्ट कौन सा बचा? 0. So we'll write 0. Now it's the turn for the negative numbers. Okay. So negative numbers में let us take the help of number line. -6 और -1 में से सबसे बड़ा कौन सा नंबर है? -1 यहाँ पे है, -6 यहाँ पे है. Now as we all know that जो नंबर दूसरे नंबर के राइट हैंड साइड है वो नंबर सबसे बड़ा नंबर है. तो -1 वो -6 के राइट हैंड साइड है. ओके. सो -6 और -1 में से कौन सा बड़ा नंबर हुआ? -1. सो वी विल राइट नेक्स्ट इज -1 और लास्ट में कौन सा बाकी है नंबर? दैट इज -6. So this is how we arrange the integers in descending order. I hope you would have understood first question. Now if you would like to try second and third by yourself, you can pause the video and then you can resume the video and check the answers. Let us solve the next question. So in the second question, which numbers are positive numbers? So 5, 0 and 4. So इन तीनों में से सबसे बड़ा नंबर कौन सा है? That is 5. So we will write 5 first. 5 से छोटा कौन सा नंबर है? 4. So we will write 4 in the next. 4 से छोटा कौन सा नंबर है? That is 0. So we write 0. Now next. Now we have negative integers here. One is -6 and -4. So let us take the help of number line again. -6 and -4. इन दोनों में से आपके राइट हैंड साइड कौन है? That is -4. So -4 बड़ा है, किससे बड़ा है? -6 से. So पहले -4 आएगा, फिर -4 से छोटा नंबर -6 आएगा. Write -6 here. Now third question. I hope you will be able to solve by yourself. You can pause the video and solve it by yourself and answer me in the comment box. Now we will understand how to find the sum of integers. Sum of integers means we have to add the integers on number line. So for example, 3 plus 2, that is easy for us to solve. 3 plus 2 answer is 5. But how to show that on the number line? So now it's very important. 3 plus 2. So first of all we will draw the number line. Now if it is addition, listen me very carefully. अगर हमको add करने को बोला है, it means we have to move right hand side. So we'll understand step by step. तो question में first क्या दिया है? 3. तो हम यहाँ 3 पर खड़े रहेंगे. 3 पर. So we are standing on 3. Now we have to add. Add means हम कौन सी साइड जाएंगे? राइट हैंड साइड. कितने स्टेप जाएंगे? 2 स्टेप्स. मीन्स 2 टाइम्स हम जंप करेंगे. 1 और 2. हम कहाँ पे पहुंच गए? We reached at 5. तो now what is our position? हम 5 पे पहुंच गए. Yes, it is also very important to show the direction. It means right hand side. So we show this arrow. Now we are at 5. So our answer is 5. Now the next question is -4 plus 6. It means हम कहाँ पर खड़े हैं? -4. We are standing at -4. तो -4 कहाँ पे है? यहाँ पे. Yes. So we are standing on -4. We have to add. Add means we will move right hand side. How many steps? 6 steps. 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. So our answer is 2. Our answer is 2. But it's also important to denote the direction. So we'll draw this arrow so that we can come to know that we have moved from -4 towards right hand side and we got the answer as 2. Now we'll understand how to find the difference of integers. Difference of integers means we have to subtract the given integers on number line. So here the question is 5 minus 6. So till now we studied that we cannot minus the bigger number from smaller number. But yes, now we will learn how to find the difference or how to find the subtraction of bigger number from smaller number. Okay, so now we have 5 here, so we are standing on 5. Now important thing is we are subtracting the given numbers, so we will move left hand side. In addition, what we did, we moved right hand side. So now we have to minus 6 from 5. So where we are standing? We are standing on 5. Now as we have to subtract the numbers, we will move on the left hand side. So in the previous task what we did, when it was addition we moved right hand side. Now it is subtraction, so we will move left hand side. So we are standing on 5. Now as it is subtraction, we will move left hand side. How many steps? 6 steps. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So now we are at -1. So moving 6 step towards left hand side of 5, we got answer -1. So now can you say that it is possible to subtract bigger number from smaller number? Yes, it is possible. Now can you try by yourself with the second question? If yes, pause the video and try by yourself. Okay, so here in the question, -1 -4 means we are standing on -1. So here is -1. We are standing on -1. We'll move 4 steps left hand side because it is minus. So how many steps? 4. 1, 2, 3 and 4. We are at -5. We moved left hand side. So our answer is -5. I hope you understood how to subtract the given integers. So I am giving you some of the questions. Please try by yourself. Here are the questions. Now we'll understand how to find the product of integers on number line, means how we multiply the numbers on number line. So we'll start the number line from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 infinitely. Now we have to start, means we have to stand on 0 every time. So now let us see how to solve this on the number line. Now we have to jump 2 steps. We have to jump 2 steps. How many times? 3 times. So we are standing on 0. We have to jump 2 numbers, means 1 and 2. So directly 1. How many times? 3 times. So 1. Again we'll jump 2 numbers. Second time. And this third time. So answer is 6. And we move right hand side. So yes, 3 2s are, we all know that it's 6, but it is the way of representation on number line. Now next question. Again we'll start from 0. We have to jump 5 steps. हम 5 नंबर जंप करेंगे. कितनी बार? 2 times. So we'll jump 5 numbers. Means 1 2 3 4 5. So पहला स्टेप हमारा 5 पे आएगा. सेकेंड स्टेप 10 पे आएगा. कितनी बार करना है? 2 times जंप करना है. So this is the first jump, 1, and this is the second jump, and we have reached at 10. So 2 5s are 10. But this is important how to write or how to represent on the number line. So this is the appropriate method. So I'm giving you some of the questions, how to find the product. Answer me in the comment box whether are you able to solve or not. So in the next video, we will learn how to add and how to subtract the integers without the help of number line. So stay connected with us. Thank you.